What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to send attachments on your iPhone using the Mail app. Whether you're sharing documents for work, sending photos to friends and family, or submitting forms, knowing how to attach files to an email directly from your iPhone is a valuable skill that enhances your productivity and communication. Before we dive into the steps, it's crucial to ensure the file you intend to send is readily accessible on your iPhone. Most commonly, files are stored in the Files app or the Photos app if they are images. If the attachment you wish to send is located within a third-party app, such as WhatsApp, make sure to first download it to either your Files or Photos app. This step is essential for a smooth attachment process. Now, let's get to the process of attaching a file to an email. Open the Mail app on your iPhone and tap on the Create New Mail icon, which is typically found in the lower right corner of your screen. As you start composing your email, you might notice a row of suggestions just above your keyboard. To find the attachment options, swipe left on these suggestions until you see the document icon or photo icon, depending on what you wish to attach. Tapping on this will bring up your recent files or photos. But you can also browse for the specific file by tapping on the Browse option for files or navigating through your photo library for images. In addition to selecting files or photos already stored on your iPhone, you have the option to attach files by capturing a new photo or scanning a document directly from this interface. Simply choose the appropriate option for capturing a new photo or scanning a document, and your iPhone will guide you through the process. After selecting the file or capturing a new one, it will be attached to your email. You can then finish composing your message and send it off to the recipient with your attachment included. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and ensures you can send important files from wherever you are without needing to access a computer. Sending attachments via email from your iPhone is a simple yet essential function for staying connected and getting things done while on the go. With this knowledge, you'll be able to share files effortlessly with anyone, anytime. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.